This one too.
Don't cover it up with your finger. Point out that way. See that?
Yeah.
Okay, it's recording.
Cool. Okay, I got
There
it.
you got it.
Cool. You did that thing.
Good night, good night. Backing up.
Whoa. Pretty neat stuff, huh?
Yeah.
They're looking
Things are spinning. Well, when they go up, they're spinning pretty good. Like canisters. Spinning like a canister.
Whoa.
That one's pretty neat, yeah.
This is the limit that I can do, right?
Probably.
There she goes.
Ooh. Circle.
Fred,
Ooh. Nice one.
I cleaned it. Do you see my thing right there?
They're not really into them, are they? They're not. They wasn't the other night at your mom, at y'all's, at mom and dad's either. But they didn't care about them. They're not really interested in fireworks at that age, I guess. Please, you sound like a monkey, man. Ooh.
I'm going to record every last bit of it. No, that ain't the limit.
Don't move around a whole bunch. You're going to make it all shaky when we're watching it. Ooh, that was cool. Uh-oh, that one didn't look like it went very high.
Trust me, it didn't.
Wow.
I'm not really watching this for real. I'm only watching
We'll
it.
just hold that up and then watch it for real. Look, let me hold it and you watch it for real. Okay?
Record every last bit of
I'll hold
it.
it.
Don't let anything miss.
I'm just going to hold it up here to the side. And
I got it.
don't turn it on yet.
Connecting it. Don't turn it on. Come on, man, you're
The
me.
mosquito bite me, sorry.
Oh!
Come here.
Record it.
Here. You hold it. You hold it. Back here. Back here.
Sweet. Sweet mother of God. This looks like a explosion, man. Come from nuclear explosion. Look at this. Looks more like a nuclear. This looks like a nuclear. Awesome, right? Woo! Where'd it go? There she is. No. Or never left it. Can I go in there?
Yeah.
I'm going to watch the movie. After I turn it on. Hang up.